In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a DHgate affiliate. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to DHgate.com and you want to sign into your account. After you do this, you want to scroll down to the very bottom of their page over here. And as you can see at the bottom left, it says partnership and then affiliate program. So click on affiliate program. And then in here, you'll go to this website over here, which is aff.dhgate.com, and it says you're already logged in. You can enter the workplace over here, or you can just read everything about this over here on the website and click on Get Started Now. Once you do this, you'll have to create an affiliate account. So of course, you can create one, or you can basically just sign in with Facebook or Google. And of course, if you press this button up here, the exact same thing is going to happen, except you won't have to sign in again. Now, over here, you have to activate to be an affiliate. And then over here, you have to read that three things over here. So it says the affiliate program is a platform for anyone can be a partner with DHgate. You can earn commissions by sharing affiliate links and referring customers. Now you can activate it and enable your account, and then you can easily get all affiliate links, coupons, banners, etc. Okay, so as you can see, it also says it will not affect your normal shipping behavior whether you choose to activate it or not, which is of course great. So you can come to this page and then click on I have reviewed this, click on activate free. And then after you do this, you'll see, there we go, you'll be introduced to this basically portal over here, where you have to basically put in some information about your media, your channel type, your followers, title, URL, contact, etc. And after you do this, you'll be able to see over here that you can now essentially just get yourself affiliate links for different products. You can track everything, your sales, your commissions, you can see all the products, you can make campaigns, customize links over here, click on the referral program to see more, see your invitation link, etc. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.